Riwruok matayo tuke mag ng'wech e pacho Athletics Kenya kotene gi jakom margi Jackson Tway notele nyasi mar sidho masinde mapimo muya mong'ere kaka air sensors e alap mar Raila Odinga Stadium mabiro ng'iyo ler mar muya. Nyasi no bende noyuore gi gavana ma Homa Bay Gladys Wanga mane osingo mar dhi nyime gi siro chenro mag kedo gi lokruok mar kor lwasi.
I've got my people who are qualified in Nairobi, whom in the very near future, maybe as early as the first week of January in the new year, to come and look at that so that they can also give you a report and give us a report before we can move to the next stage.
We are very happy as Homa Bay, particularly Raila Odinga Stadium, to join the league of stadia in the rest of the continent that have signed up for the air quality monitors. And Homa Bay, as you may have heard, is very serious about climate action and is in the front line in our effort to combat climate change.